Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy. I've got another one of those little loose fitting tops that I have been showing you lately. This one is a dress. It's long, it's below my knees anyway, and we've got a crossbody bag on it. The neck on this one is a scoop neck, and it's finished with a dark navy binding. The fabric is the same, light linen with a very soft lavender stripe to it. The bag is made by a origami fold technique, and it's crossbody length. And you can see how this loose style of dressing is all about your accessories that you put with your outfit. And you can use scarves or jewelry or whatever you want to dress this up, or you can leave it plain and have it be about your hairdo and your face. So it's a versatile garment. Now I've got another bag to show you. We're just going to save the biggest one till the end here. This one is a plain square bag, rectangular bag. And I've left the selvage on it, so you know I like the texture. I left the selvage on this dress also as a very soft contrast. And this dress is also going out as a gift. And I made this person a different bag to go with her dress. And this is a big market bag made like the first bag I showed you, origami square. It's a sizable bag. It has a handle on it, and of course it has one of my art towels on it. This is a free motion embroidery and hand painted towel that I put on there, and then of course I made that into a pocket for smaller items you might want to carry in your market bag. So that's the latest here out in the sewing studio, and that's it for now, and bye bye.